Hi everyone, welcome back to Jessie at Home. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a realistic clean with me. I suffered from a little bit of burnout this week. I got a ton done. I had a lot on my to-do list and I have a lot on my mind with the upcoming month ahead. I have been called in for jury duty for February and I just have too much going on. Malcolm starts speech therapy this week as well. So I just have a lot of balls to juggle and I wanted to do a really good, satisfying, deep cleaning video for you for today. But this video ended up being short. I just couldn't get as much done as I wanted to, and that's gonna have to be okay. So I kind of wanted to talk about that a little bit in today's video, that women in general, whether you're a working mom, stay-at-home mom, work from home mom, whatever, women in general usually have a lot on their plate. Even when they have partners that help them, we take on the brunt of just everything. Even if we try not to, we do. And sometimes it's okay to just let go of unrealistic expectations and just do what you can do within the moment. So I got as much done as I could in this video and got the rest done the next day. So that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes we do, marathon whole house clean with me, where we deep clean every inch of our house and just do it all, and some days we just do what we can. So I just wanted to speak on that a little bit and let you know that, hey, I'm just like you, or you're just like me, and we are human, Not the way you sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I am super excited because I have two furniture, I don't want to call them flips because I'm keeping them, but I have two furniture makeovers that I'm going to be doing in the upcoming weeks. One is one that I've already talked about. It is the old vanity that we took out of our powder room when we did the remodel. I really do like it as a dresser. They had tore the drawers up and out. Like the fronts were fine, but just it wasn't. They kind of tore up the drawers, so we're going to be fixing those and painting it and making it back into a dresser with a mirror. So I'm super excited about that one. The second one is my grandmother had this old TV wardrobe thing that my sister had for like a really long time, and some of the crown is busted on it and her kids had drawn all over it and stuff like that. So I'm going to be rehabbing that and redoing that for an area in my house. Where am I going to put all this stuff? I have no idea, but it's going to be a really fun like journey to rehab these furnitures. I love
redoing furniture. I don't know why it's like such a passion of mine, but I just really enjoy the whole process. And then I always end up keeping it, so I don't really flip it for money. Maybe I should. I don't know if that's still a thing. I feel like a lot of people wanted DIY versus buying it completely done, but I am really excited about that on my to-do list. I love just cleaning this couch down with just hot water and just a tiny little bit of like Dawn to clean this, and then I'll go back through once it's all dry and I'll spray the leather protector to like moisturize it again. But between Malcolm and my husband, these couches get so dirty, and the dog as well. This is his little spot over here with the brown blanket. Right now he's moved over to the center, but he gets his little fur everywhere and just drool and everything. These little cup holders as well, I just put a little bit of the water in there, and then all the sticky crumbs and food that gathered in the little silver disc just wiped right on out. And look how dirty that water was. We had towels in front of the sliding doors over there because that is the door we use to go in and out for the hot tub. So we just kind of keep a towel over there, especially with all the snow, to suck up any water that might be dragged in.
Thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
Malcolm is definitely a mama's boy. He loves his dada, but he is definitely a mama's boy. He is becoming super like clingy, which is unusual for him. So, you know, I soak it in. Whenever he wants cuddles or wants me to hold him, I go for it. We do need to, I just realized that with this angle of the camera, we need to like stretch our new carpeting out a little bit because we have a little hump right here. I didn't notice it. I don't notice it when I'm walking on it. And we've been on the floor rolling around, but with that with the camera angle down there, I noticed that we have a little hump. So we're gonna have to get my husband to lift the sofa up, and we'll have to pull the rug out a little bit and maybe put some books there or something to kind of flatten that little hump. But any snuggles that I can get from Malcolm, I am definitely going to take.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
I am back on my vinegar, a little dash of dish soap, and hot water kick for the spin mop. I love this rinse clean spin mop. It does a really, really good job. You're only putting clean water on your mop head, So it's like you're cleaning with clean water every time. And let me when I show you the water pour, the dirty water pour after I'm done mopping everything, I was so shocked. These floors were not really that dirty at all, which is crazy because lately when I've been mopping, the water has been just like really dark and black. But now that I've gone back to my tried and true vinegar and hot water, the water pours have been so clear.
As a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
I have been looking at some tile or some backsplash behind the mirror just to kind of zhuzh up the bathroom, this powder room a little bit. I love this bathroom, but it's kind of plain. I love the color. I love the floor. I love all the black accents. I love everything we picked out in this bathroom. I just absolutely adore. But I think I want to get some maybe art for the walls because I really don't have any art in here. I do have that tobacco basket on the wall, but I don't have any like pictures on that end wall where the toilet is. So I think I could probably add a couple little like small framed pictures there. And I want to just kind of add a little bit extra with the tile up behind the mirror. So I've been looking and seeing anything that kind of catches my eye, something easy, something pretty, something to just kind of jazz up this little powder room. Like I said previously, I'm really sad because I really wanted to do a longer, extra deep clean video, but you know, it just didn't happen, and I have to be okay with that. But I am so excited about the recipe at the end of the video. I also had filmed a grocery haul, but I have no idea where that footage went. I'm kind of sad about it because I had went through all the groceries, and then I also kind of shared the meal plans of what we were going to eat and everything, and we had a really delicious week of food, but I'm going to share the crock pot recipe at the end of this video. It was super yummy and perfect since it's been so snowy and super cold here.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
This recipe is super yummy. I actually shared this in a like frozen meal prep video I did like a couple years ago. I didn't show the final result of it, but this recipe is so good. So you have the cut up potatoes, you can skin them if you want, then you just add some Lipton soup mix on top, and then you cook up some ground beef and drain that as well, and then put that on top when it's all thoroughly cooked. And then you just start layering cans on top. We have some mixed chili beans, and it has like the chili sauce on it as well. And then I did some rotel on top of that as well. And I just did the Southwest corn. I think it just called for regular corn, and I didn't drain it. I just left the juice on there as well. And I think it called for like a 1/4 cup of beef consomme, so I put that on top, or beef broth. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, you add in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and it is so delicious. Absolutely delicious. It's really filling, and definitely would add this into your rotation because it was very good.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope